Peace family, welcome to our Friday analysis. So let's take a weekly on an uptrend, and then let's go to our 4 hour. So let me just blow up this, and then let me just do this. Okay, so on a 4 hour, we have this resistance around here, and then let's go to hourly. And then on an hourly, we're having this zone around here. Around here. In fact, let me not take it too far. Let me just do this. Hey, what's up with this thing? Okay, let me delete this. Okay, supposed to be right here. And then what I'm going to expect for Nasdaq is to push up to this zone until here. And then maybe around here we can see something like a double top and then push to the downside, or maybe potentially break of resistance, retest, and then continue. Okay, so for the time being, I'm going to expect a push to the upside. And let's go to GBPJPY. And then on a weekly, and then so on a weekly, we'll find our overall trend. So on a weekly, we are on an uptrend. And then let's go to our 4 hour. And then let me blow up this. So yesterday the market was quite tricky for GBPJPY. So on a 4 hour, we're having this resistance around here. And then let's go to the hourly. So it's possible that the market can decide to push to the downside. Or if this doesn't happen, then we can see like a break, retest, and then continue. And then if I'm going to say something like this, then my potential TP is going to be right here, right there. Okay, so let's go to EURJPY, and then on a weekly. So I've got to delete this. So let's find the overall trend. So for EURJPY on a weekly, we are on an uptrend. And then let's go to our 4 hour. Then let me just zoom in this so that we can actually see what's happening. So on a 4 hour, we're in this resistance. We're having this resistance area right here, and even a zone right here, and even here. Okay, so let's go to hourly. So for hourly, what I'm going to look out for is a potential of a push to the downside. Or if this doesn't happen, then we can see something like break, test, and then continue. Potential up to there. Okay, so excuse me. So let's go to gold. And for gold, let's go to the weekly. So for gold, we have this zone right here, and then let's go to the hourly, the 4 hours, so to speak. So in fact, for gold right now, I don't have anything. We can have something like this, push the upside, or a break, retest, and then push to the downside. But currently, right here, the market is not clear. Same applies with the hourly. Same applies with the hourly. So let's go to EURUSD. So let's go to weekly. So on a weekly right here, we are on a downtrend. And then let's go to our 4 hour. So on a 4 hour, there's something that I noticed. Let me just do this. So I saw this trend right here. And then let me just put this here. And then this one right here. So let's go to hourly. And then let me just do this. Okay, so I have a touch right here, and then we broke this resistance areas, since this trend behaves as our resistance area. So it's possible that EURUSD can come to retest around these areas right here and then push to the upside. This is what I'm going to look out for, and then my potential TP for the time being is going to be right there. Okay, so that's my analysis for EURUSD. And then let's go to USDJPY. And then on a weekly, so on a weekly we are on an uptrend, and then like it seems like we reached our ceiling right here. Seems like we reached our ceiling. Maybe it's possible that we can have like a continuous trend to the downside. Who knows? But let's go to our 4 hour. And then let me just take this out. Excuse me guys, I got a bit of flu. So right here for USDJPY, currently I don't see anything. Like the structure is not clear. And then let's go to hourly. So same applies with hourly. On hourly, I do not see anything. The structure is not clear for me. And then last time I had something like this. Was it something like, let me just drag this here, because I saw this zone right here, and then even here, and we had this push to the downside. This is where the Bank of Japan tried to buy more bonds for the yen. It's basically fundamentals, but yeah. So well, also even this zone right here, but now I'm not so sure about this zone. So, but for USDJPY, I'm not confident about my analysis, so I'm just going to leave it right there. And then let's go to GBPUSD, and then on a weekly. So for GBPUSD, On a weekly, we are on a downtrend. This is supposed to be a downtrend. I hope you get that. This is supposed to be on a downtrend. And then let's go to hour for hour. Okay, so same applies with EURUSD. I saw this trend. These pairs are they are like correlated, GBPUSD and EURUSD. So I saw this trend right here. So let's go to hourly. On an hourly, it's going to be much clearer. Okay, let me just do this. And then right there. So we have a touch right here and even here. And then we broke this resistance area, this line being our resistance area. So let me just block this. So what I'm going to look out for is a retest around these areas and then push to the upside. But NFP is going to play a huge role. So we're going to see how the market is going to behave until here. Okay, so that's my analysis for GBPUSD. Have a great weekend. Tap in.